Studios Studio Lounge. It's on deck 13 here. You use your card to get in. If you don't have a studio stateroom, they won't let you into this area. Come in here and there is 3 rows of rooms. My room is 13553. I will give you a quick tour of the room here. Cool, I like this ambient lighting here. There is my room all the way down at the end of this hallway. Let me keep this going. All right. 13553. I've already unpacked and turned this room into quite a mess, so excuse me for this mess here, but all right, you have a thermostat for your room controls. You got your heat, your temperature, do not disturb, make up my room, your sliding for your thermostat here, and your light controls. There's the bathroom lights. I have my card from the Marriott club in here because if you don't keep a card in, your room will get depowered. It's to save energy at sea. So give you a quick tour. Here's my bathroom. Has 3 small shelves for toiletries and whatnot here. I got they'll give you distilled water for your CPAP machine if you have one. So you just tell your stateroom attendant. It's really pretty small. You have a trash right under here. This part is inaccessible. You have a shaver charge plug here. Cup here for your toothbrush or whatnot. Here's your shower. The shower's pretty nice. I brought this little suction cup here for my, whatever you call that, loofah thing or whatnot. Shower's on a sliding pole here. It's got a little step there for shaving or whatnot. 2 shelves, and you have this thing. I guess it's for putting your wet bathing suits or whatever up there. Then you come into the main room. It's rather small. You have I believe the room is 94 square feet, if I remember. You have looks like a 36-inch LED LCD screen on an arm here. There is HDMI inputs, so hypothetically you could plug in your smart devices. Like I could plug my laptop into this thing technically. I did bring an HDMI cable. This thing folds back in. So you could kind of, use it almost like a computer desk or whatnot. Next to the bed you have a USB-A plug here. It's 5 volts, 1.5 amps. And you have lighting controls for your room, again, right by there. So you could put your phone, a water bottle, or whatnot on that shelf. Next is a mirror here. You have some more storage here. I put my dress shirts in here. There's a little shelf on the bottom. You can throw your shoes or whatnot. You have a vanity mirror that lights up. Let me see if I can find these controls for this. I like these light up mirrors. That's pretty cool. My assortment of junk here, my CPAP, my laptop. Don't mind this. You have 3 shelves here, or 4 shelves. You can put whatever kind of little gadgets or clothing or whatnot on here. Some more rack space with a light up hang bar, whatever you call that thing. And then you have some more storage here. Got my clothes in here. 2 drawers. You have your safe hidden in this one. You can put your own combination. You have another drawer. And the room didn't come with a fridge. You have to request it. I'd requested a fridge, so I plugged it in here. It uses one of these, I believe it's like a European style plug. You see, the fridge plugging in here. That's another reason why you want to keep a room. If you have a fridge, they say to keep a card in here so that when you leave, the power for your room does not go off. So your items stay refrigerated. Yeah, it's a pretty small room. This is, I think, my second day here. It's day 2 on the 7-day cruise on the Norwegian Aqua. This little book light or whatnot. It's got a little adjustable arm. Not bad, like a reading light. So they also have a studio lounge. I'll take you to the studio lounge now. All right. The lounge is actually on deck 12. Just make a left from 13553. Continue down and you'll see a staircase here. I like the design of this ship. It's very modern. I like the warm lighting here. This is the studio lounge. And some jazzy music playing down here. Pretty decent amount of seating. Longitude, latitude. Here is a map of our voyage. We just sailed alongside Cuba Española here, and we are en route to Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. But let me continue. Here's the kitchen. Here is the kitchen area here. You can purchase, I don't know if the coffee's probably, yeah, you can get free coffee here. Coffee, tea. They have lemonade, banana bread, orange pound cake, chocolate cookies, chocolate chip cookies, oranges, apples. They have a self-service beer machine here with some taps. You have Stella Artois, Lagunitas IPA, Bahama Mama, I guess this is a cocktail, Whiskey Orchard Press, that must be a hard cider, Rosé, and Chardonnay. This is an ice machine, and you can also get soda. I got a pop earlier, and it didn't charge my account, so this is pretty cool. I'm going to try to get a beer, even if it costs, that's fine. All right, so you take your stateroom key, place it here, authorizing, then I have 15 seconds to pour, and it's doing Chardonnay, of course. I don't even want Chardonnay. Is it charging me? Oh shit, it's very expensive. It's very expensive. It just charged my stateroom like $16. Whatever. All right, here's my $16 Chardonnay. I have the beverage plan. I think the cap is normally $15. We'll see if it charges me. Either way, whatever. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching my stateroom tour. That's stateroom 13553 on the Norwegian Aqua. It's February 2nd, 2026. If you're coming on this ship, enjoy it and have a great voyage. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'll be making stateroom videos, and I make cruise content, aviation content, flight videos, travel videos, vlogs, whatnot. All right, thanks again. Cheers.